This is our FIU Fight Song.
This is one way students here get to show their Panther pride.
We teach this to all new students at orientation, sing it at football games,
and it even plays at GC at the MMC campus at 8:05 a.m., 12:05 p.m., and 5:05 p.m. every day.
As we sing the fight song, follow along by following the bouncing Rory at the bottom of your screen.
The rhythm is a little fast, but we're sure you can keep up.
We are the Panthers of FIU.
The Golden Panthers of FIU.
We will continue to fight with all our might.
For victory, for gold and blue.
we stand together and proudly say,
Our Golden Panthers go all the way.
We'll always strive for victory.
But it's through and through. Because we're FIU.
Awesome job so far. So for this next part, we're going to get you a bit more active and add some arm motions.
To spell FIU, put your arms up to the left, I arms to the sky, like a touchdown. Finally, elbows on you, like you're flexing.
After that, we yell Panthers fight 3 times. On the first one, right arm fist to the sky.
On the second, give an open claw. And on the third, you slash it.
Finally, we repeat the chorus again. Run it back starting with go F.
Go F.
Go I.
Go you. Go FIU.
Panthers fight. Panthers fight. Panthers fight.
We are the Panthers of FIU.
The Golden Panthers of FIU.
We will continue to fight with all our might.
For victory, for gold and blue.
We stand together and proudly say,
our Golden Panthers go all the way.
We'll always strive for victory, blue-blooded through and through.
because we're FIU.
We hope you enjoy singing the fight song with us.
We can't wait to do it with you in person at the football games during the school year.